Are you looking for the emojis? Do you want to use emoji on your Windows operating system? If you are working on your browser, you are sending message someone or in Gmail or anything you are doing, so you want to use emoji, right? And you don't want to install any software and you don't want to use any website. Yes, guys, then it's possible and you have to do nothing. In this video I will show you something, a magic like trick. So there is a simple trick behind this. So you need to definitely know about this. There is a combination present on your Windows which is defaultly present. So what the combinations are? So you have to press the Windows button plus full stop, that means dot button, and there is, you can see here is the emoji options and here lots of option. You can use it. Now it's your turn to use this. And there's another combination. You have to press Windows key plus semicolon and here is again. So guys, I hope this video will help you a lot. Within a few seconds or you can say within a minute, you can use emojis on your Windows operating system without looking for any software or website. So guys, press the like button for this video and don't forget to subscribe us.